In your video about pair trading, you have pairs on one trading view chart like Tesla MicroStrategy or Bitcoin USDT over Tesla. Could you explain how you get these on one chart, please? I would love making my own to increase my bags by trading custom pair charts. So within Patreon this morning, I shared all of my top 60 pairs and what I use and the code for them. You can just dump it straight into TradingView. But how to build them is here as follows. In TradingView, you just click New Chart in the bottom, and the button in the top left corner of the screen. In the symbol field, you just start typing like BTC or MSTR or TSLA or EUR for Euro, whatever you want. And you can make pairs on everything. And then once you have that, you just select the first asset from the list. I like Bitstamp for Bitcoin, for example, but it's good to look at other different exchanges too, because rates do vary. And in the compare to field, type in the name, the second asset, for example, ETH, and hit select, and then create button to open up the pair. Now, examples of some of what I look at for pairs. Now, I'm looking at pairs right now, not only crypto pairs, but crypto equity pairs, and also pairs when you divide things, divided by money supply, etc. But this is kind of what I look at. I tend to be very focused, but a whole bunch of different symbol types like crypto, spreads, stocks, funds, CFDs, and on the side, mostly technology when it comes to stock sectors. You can see it's 57% tech stocks, but a little bit around consumer durables and finance and retail trade as well. Some of those actually in those categories, like finance and retail trade would be, finance would be Square, retail trade would be Amazon, but it doesn't consider them like technology per se. And some examples of some pairs, a couple of ones looking at, Phantom Bitcoin pair, a lot of Solana Bitcoin pairs, Solana Phantom, Solana Cardano, Tesla MicroStrategy, Tesla Apple, short queues, Shopify, Tesla, etc. I'm watching many pairs every single day to try identify when things are completely out of sync, to understand when is a good time to swap in, and of course looking at the underlying symbols as well to understand good times to find bargains. And we'll talk more about bargain finding as well later.